What up, YouTube? It's your boy Trail back with another video, man. Today, man, we got something a little special for you, man. My brother been talking crazy. He's been talking crazy. Like I'm not about that in this bowling. You feel me? See? Hold on. Where my stuff at? See that? He been talking crazy. Like he ain't about to get this work. So today, man, we finna go to breakfast real quick though. Nigga around hungry. So we're gonna break bread before you take this L real quick. So I'm about to head out now. Meet him up at the breakfast spot. So I'll resume back then, y'all. Alright. Alright, just pulled up to the John. At the good old Blueberry. I don't know if y'all can see that. My stuff flipped. Yeah. This is the spot. Always.
If you add spinach and the bell pepper.
Bell peppers?
Yeah.
Thank you.
And then can I have a large pineapple juice?
Thank you.
So, I was recording before I left the house, right? And I was telling them how you need to whoop my ass.
I must have whooped your ass.
See, this is what he failing to realize is I'm really like that, you know? So, you know, he ain't been bowling probably a year.
Didn't I just kick your ass like 2 months ago?
Fuck no. Where at?
At Plazas.
When did we go bowling? With who? 2 months ago?
Me.
The last time we went to Plazas, Dad was with us, and that was like
Okay, so
summertime. Yeah. So
I got the video. It's somewhere on my phone. I whooped your ass.
I went bowling.
I'm having a bad day, dude.
Well, Harmony birthday.
Nah,
You wasn't there, right? We went to Upper Island, one of the worst bowling alleys ever. If you're trying to bowl for real, like actually bowl, don't go to Up Your Alley in Sherville. If you want to have parties with your kids and a family gathering, I guess you can go there. But personally, I don't like that bowling alley because it's like a playground. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's not to my liking. So I like the dirty. You know what I'm saying? Like Dalton, Linwood, Tinley actually cool. Tinley not bad, huh?
Yeah, I know.
Tinley actually, I was up there yesterday. That's why I was up. Yeah, Tinley not bad. So we finna get some food right now. You know, like I said, you gotta break bread before you get whoop ass. That's the new slogan.
That shit good.
So anytime y'all gotta be with somebody, tell, hey, let's break bread first. So then you get your ass whooped. So this the brother I'm with today, Tyron. Yeah. So actually, his birthday video is on my channel.
What?
Yeah, link be in the description. Y'all ain't seen that. They got copyrighted though, cause that music you walk definitely got. Yeah, it's lovely. A little suspicious there, sir. Put it down first. Yeah. Next clip, we at the alley. Alright. I'm first. That's cool. I ain't tripping. I go first. That got Pito.
Huh?
That got Pito.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now.
Yeah, so we just got to the alley. You know. Read about doing my thing. I got the tripod out here because I ain't trying to be switching on and off the camera. So yeah, so we finna get to it. So about to whip his ass. Alright. God dog it. We in there. Hey, I stretch.
I ain't bald.
I know.
Last time we were with Dad.
Try on my birthday, but I ain't go as planned.
When he ain't gave me cards.
Same clean up. Okay. Same clean up. All right. I need to get that truck open. So, the house ball 14 is different. When it hits your wall, right? You know, a house ball got these big old holes. It's just drilled holes. It just drilled holes so everybody can pay.
You want supposed to clean that up.
I've been practicing.
I know.
I haven't practiced.
You had 3 practice games already.
Oh man, I watch videos all day. You better take this L. Too much stank. Too much stank on that one. It was too much stank.
My hand bigger than yours.
Only your fingertips supposed to go in there. Yeah. Not your whole finger. Woo!
That ball.
You gotta get used to it. I had to get used to it too. Yeah, I had to get used to it too.
That's my first game. Damn.
We got four games to go. So, this game number 1.
Oh, what a pickup.
I can get that one over. I can get that one over.
Go ahead, Mr.
Oh, fuck. My biggest deal was not cleaning up spares. I'll do a 200 game and not clean up spares, bro. We stayed on the same side. How you up out that hoodie? Woo!
What am I doing?
It's all bare release. It happens. My hands cold too.
Yeah.
My hands got cold. So
I'm jagging my game right now.
I'm up right now. Just a little bit. We getting it together though. Tyree came back up on me. Oh, first game seal. Oh yeah, we needed those. Yeah, he came back up on me though. I done blew a couple frames.
A terrible game.
I ain't gonna record through every single game.
Yeah.
I just, like close to the end type. That's just way too much fucking footage.
You gonna be editing for half the day.
Yeah. Ain't nobody want to just sit here and just keep seeing the bowl. I don't know you does that. You on my head. You on my head hard.
Going is too soft.